In this video I'm going to talk about the Eksa GT1 earbuds and the EM600 mouse. First part is going to be this one, second part is that one, third part is going to show you what I did with both of them. So if you're interested in seeing any of that, then you're in the right place, so stick around. Okay, so Eksa True Wireless Gaming Earbuds. These ones here, these are the Cobras Gt1. So first of all, doing a little package like this is brilliant. Open it up, just like it's a magnetic closing lid, love it. And so this unit itself charges. So you charge the unit, and then when you put the buds in, then it charges. So it's kind of standard now, everyone's doing that now. Alright, so how they sound is, yeah, pretty good. I mean, they're not massively bassy, but when you're playing games, you don't want too much mega bass. You want to be able to hear what you're doing properly without hearing the doo-doo-doo. That's really if you're going to be listening to music, I suppose. But when you're playing games, you want to hear what's going on around you, and that's what you get from these. This is brilliant. So you don't have to put this big headset on. If you're not into the headsets, which I'm not really, I much prefer to whip these on and off you go. Now they're Bluetooth V5, so you can connect to your phone and you can connect to the Switch. I've successfully done both of those. Can't connect it to Xbox or PlayStation though, because I can't get the Bluetooth to connect to it, and you can't connect to a TV. Well, I can't connect to any of my TVs because they just won't find the Bluetooth on it. I'm not sure why, it just doesn't work that way. So, but it worked brilliantly on the laptop as well. So I think this is a really good situation to get into, where you've got the headset and you've got a nice little gaming mouse and you're ready to rock and roll. This video is going to show you the GT1s and an Eksa mouse to go with it. Nice little gaming kit to go on the laptop or computer, if you will. But in this way, you've got your laptop, you've got these, and you've got a little mouse. It's not a wireless mouse, that would make it perfect, but you know, if you want a gaming mouse, it's got to be wired, and you've got no latency at all, then you've got a better feel to it then. So put it on in your laptop bag and you're ready to rock and roll. Okay, this mouse is ultra lightweight, it's 90 grams, and you can really feel that when you pick it up and move it around. It feels so light in your hands. The 90 grams really shows itself on that one. It's a USB connection, obviously, so it's wired, and the wire itself is really nice, feeling sort of parachute cord. I never felt long like that before. It's actually really quite nice and pleasant. Now you've got different DPIs, different colours. You've got, every time you press the button, the plus and minus button, it changes colours, and it also changes the speed of the mouse on the screen, which is cool. It's got 9 programmable buttons, and you can change the colours of it, and I'll show you now. So you've got a button on the bottom there, press that and it does lots of different things. You've got all different sorts of types of lighting. I'll just go through them now. That one's quite cool, I like that one. I think that's probably the best one. Well, that's nothing. That one's pretty cool. It goes across in different colours, and then that one goes backwards and forwards, I think. Yeah, different colours. And then, oh, that's just still colours. That's cool though. I think that's probably the winner. No, let's go with that one. That one's the winner, definitely. And then you can change the colour on here as well, which is amazing. So I think this is a great mouse, and having used it for a little while, I really like it compared to my old mouse. I don't have this grip on my old mouse, so this is quite nice and comfy to get used to. I would recommend this mouse. I will leave the link in the description below so you can go and check out the current price for it. So my idea of mobile gaming is to get it all in your laptop bag, so you're ready to rock and roll when you want to go away somewhere, like when you're going on the train or something. This is what you need. So you've obviously got your laptop bag, and inside you take out your laptop. You need your laptop when you're going around and about, and then just in case, you may need your cable pouch with all your cables and stuff in it, so you take that with you as well. And the Eksa earphones work on the switch. Just open it up so you show you. So it works on the Nintendo Switch, so you can use the Bluetooth on that, so you can crack on with that. Put that over there, and then from the bag, because you can get everything that you want in your laptop bags. You've got your mouse, and then you've got your headphones to go with it, and why not take your mouse mat with you, so you've got most comfort. So you sat on the train and you've got all that going away. As long as you've got a table, you need to have a table in front of you. I suppose you can use that little fold down tray on the back of the chair, but that's not ideal. You want a table one really, and that is your mobile gaming setup. Obviously you can use it on your mobile phone as well if you want to, but this is perfect for getting away and using all the system here for your mobile gaming. So that's pretty much it from me. Just a quick note to say, if you haven't liked the video yet, then give it a little like if you have liked the video. I guess if you got this far, then you probably have. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel, and then don't forget to ring that bell so you don't miss out on any future content. Okay, I've been Lee's Tech Room. See you later. Bye.